first one, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little wreath. I think it's so adorable. I did it with a little hook, but you don't have to because I wanted to hook this onto my chair. So I made this little wreath with that stem I got. How gorgeous are these? They're so pretty. I love these branches. They had a few different styles, but I chose this one. I thought it was so pretty. And we're gonna make a wreath out of this. This is a really nice branch. I hope they bring nice branches like this spring and summer. All right, this is really nice and it's pretty long. All right, so right here, you're going to take the stem. What I did was I bent the stem a little and then I made the little hook like this. And I kind of like, to make this into a circle, I bent this out. And then just brought this one around, just twisted it around. It's so easy, guys. Try to make like a circle, and then, oops, and then I play with the stems. You try to make the stems like, you know, into a circle. So, you know, play around with it, make it look nice. So it could be much of a circle as possible. Okay guys, how perfect is this little wreath? You can hang it, or if you don't want to hang it and you just want to, you know, make this go around too, and then you could put a ribbon instead. Let me show you. Okay, and right here you could just put a ribbon. You could put any ribbon you guys want, but this is what I have in hand. And then you can make a bow, or you can just hang this from your chair or your cabinets or wherever you want. Right here, you can make two style little wreaths, so cute. I picked these poinsettias and I liked it because it was small poinsettias. Really pretty, because the wreaths aren't going to be that big. And you remember these from the spring and the summer? When spring and summer comes, pick these two guys up because you could do a lot of stuff with these. So I'm gonna show you what I do with the little one. So I didn't pick up a lot, but when spring comes, that's what I'm waiting for. And for summer, when they bring them in, I am going to pick up, you bet, a lot of them. All right, so this one, because I went to so many stores and I seen that these are so expensive, they hook right onto your chair. So I put a hanger, but you don't need to put a hanger. You can put just a ribbon and hang it from your chair or even your cabinets. So this is really good for cabinets and for chairs or anywhere really, but that's what I'm using it for. All right, and then I took a hanger. So, and then I put the hanger through here, bent it, and it stayed. It's pretty sturdy, but you don't have to do that. Like I said, you can get a ribbon. So this one is going to be a tiny wreath that's going to go behind my chair. Okay, now I'm going to do this with the grapevine, whatever it's called. So whatever I'm going to do for this one, you could do for the one that's a little bigger, but we're going to work with this one today. All right, so I think I am going to use these and put them right on the corner. I think they're gonna look pretty. Okay, look how pretty, guys. I just love how this turned out. It's so pretty. And if you want to add more stuff, you can. Like, I was gonna add the bell. You could put the bell right down here. That looks really pretty too. I didn't even have to hot glue these. I just like twisted them in and they stay because they're wire. But if you need to put the bell, you got to hot glue it. I don't think I'm gonna put the bell. I just love it like this. I think it looks so classy. And you can add anything you want. You can put a bow up here. You can take this off and just add a bow. So, you know, and they had so many like little presents. You could put little presents in here, hot glue them. They had so many things in Dollar Tree, but I opted for more like a simple look. A ribbon. Just like this. So the ribbon looks really pretty too. All right, guys, so if you see these wreaths at Target Dollar Spot, pick these up. I'm gonna do a lot of DIYs with these, even for the spring coming up. So I am stalking Target Dollar Spot for these cute little wreaths. I just love them. They could even be candle rings. All right, but this is a really good buy. So, and these two are really beautiful and simple. So keep an eye out for these two. This, the way it comes, just don't undo it. It comes like in a circle. Just use that as one wreath. That works best. I think I undid it and then I had to do it again, but don't do that. And this one is really good quality. So stalk your Target Dollar Spot for these wreaths. So I'm gonna show you right now how I decorated these cute little wreaths. Not really decorate, I just put a bow. I kept it simple. All right, so that's it for the wreaths. I hope I gave you some cute little ideas with the Target Dollar Spot little wreaths and to create a wreath from the Dollar Tree. So let me know down below which wreath was your favorite. Let me know if you're gonna create this. You know you could create this for the spring too, to put it behind your chairs. It just doesn't have to be for Christmas. It can be for any holiday. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, let me know which wreath you guys liked, and if you're gonna create it, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY. All right, guys, so I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!